Hey everybody, how's it going? What we got for here today is 128 gigabyte rose gold iPhone 7 Plus. I already took the plastic loose so that way I can take it off easier. Here's a little pull tab. Alright, just pull that up and slide it out. Get rid of this. Okay, legit iPhone 7 Plus. Apple logo on the back. 128 gigabyte. Alright, let's get into it. What you get in the box. Designed by Apple in California. Pull that up. And what comes in there is a little booklet. If you want to pause this, go ahead. Welcome to iPhone. Take this out of the thing. You get 2 Apple stickers. Yep, 2 Apple stickers. Sorry. Welcome to iPhone. And pause that if you want. That's the full thing. On the back, pause that if you want. Just says choose ring mode or silent mode with the ring silent switch. Adjust the ringer alert levels with the volume buttons. Check out the Tips app. Get the most out of your iPhone. Charge iPhone and connect accessories with lightning connectors. Okay. And here's a little piece of paper, which I think is the user's guide. Okay. And Apple stickers like I showed you. And there's the iPhone. Right there. There's the iPhone. Alright. I'm just checking, make sure I got everything out underneath there. Okay. Now, it says to pull up. Here's the iPhone. Here's the front of it. Here's the back. I'm not going to take the plastic off because I'm going to go get a case for it. I don't want to chance any scratches on it. Okay. So I'll put this aside and show you what else is in the box. You get your standard wall outlet and your earpods, standard earpods, and your lightning connector. And that's pretty much it. Also on the back, you get your lightning to headphone input. Standard, comes with all of them. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So when I finally get this up and running, and I'll do an unboxing of the case that I get for it, make a video and I'll show you how good I like it and show you my first impressions, I guess. So if you liked this video, please remember to subscribe, comment, like, Stay tuned for more. Until then, thank you. Goodbye.